We are told that x squared minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial equation degree 4, and we are asked to fully factorize it. If x squared minus 1 is a factor, then x minus 1 and x plus 1 must be factors too. That means that x equals 1 and x equals negative 1 are solutions of our equation. When substituting 1 into the equation, the result must be 0, and when substituting negative 1, the result must be 0 too. We need solving a pair of simultaneous equations. For that, we can use our graphics calculator, as we explained in our previous video, or we can use algebra. Adding both equations will cancel the a's down, so 2b equals negative 4, so b must be negative 2. A is 2. The quartic equation is 3x to the 4 plus 2x cubed minus 2x squared minus 2x minus 1 equals 0. And it has only two real solutions. The other two solutions are imaginary. I know that because the graph crosses the x-axis only twice. In fact, if you try to factorize the remaining quadratic, you will find yourself in a pickle. The discriminant is negative, so it has no real solutions. Complex numbers are very important. Master algebra and complex equations step by step. Visit mathsadvice on yourdevice.com for more details.